what's the Grandiosa got that is different to other ships, or better, or fun, or whatever? Hi, I'm Jan Obridge, I'm the Cruise Queen. The MSC Grandiosa has an area up by the children's area, the Do-Re-Mi area, which is like a games area, and it really is a little bit special. But I have to warn you, it costs money and it's not cheap. So if you've got kids, you need to check it out. You can buy what they call fun passes, but they're not like we were on the Divina, I think it was, and we bought a fun pass which gave us unlimited access to a few things. This doesn't do that. What it does is it gives you so many different things. So you spend X amount of money, you get like an extra bit. So if you spend like 40 euros, you'll get 60 value. So be aware of that. But it's got a VR area. You go into this VR place. There was lots of noises coming out of there. I didn't go in, but you go in and there were lots of fun happening. There's the arcade, the virtual arcade. Again, all money. Save tickets, just money. There's the F1 simulators, which is always a favourite, having a go at racing, and there's 2 of them, I believe it is, and they are amazing. And then there's the bowling alley, and I have to say, they've got the big balls, which is different to where we bowled on the Divina, for example. They were just like little bowl balls, but this one is like a bowling alley. It has proper balls with the holes in, and so we looked at that, but again, not cheap. However, we were treated to 3 games by one of the officers on board that we quite friendly with, an English officer on the Grandiosa that we met him on the Meraviglia, and we've stayed kind of in contact with him, and he treated us to some games of bowling. Oh, we probably wouldn't have gone because, like I said, quite expensive. I think it's about 30 euros for half an hour, which, you know, is a lot of money because it's not very fast. They don't rack up very quickly. The balls don't come back up very quickly. So, yeah, it's a lot. And but if it's what you want to do, hey, go for it. It's not bad. It's not full size. They do say full size, but it isn't. We bowl on a regular basis, and I can promise you it's not a full size lane at all. The bowls are, but the lanes are not. And also, you do have a little bit of a lilt on the ship. You might not notice it, but the lanes notice it. So your balls don't always go where they should. But it is good fun, and I do enjoy bowling, so I was glad to be able to have a go. Of course, in my evening dress, it didn't go too well, but anyway, it was good fun. So that area up there, they've got, like I said, the virtual stuff. They've got the F1 simulator and this arcade area and the bowling. So it's worth going up and checking it out, but you need money. Don't go up there empty-handed. And remember, with your children, if you've authorised their cruise card, they can go and buy that on their cruise card and it'll go onto your bill. So be aware of that because it can be very dangerous. So that's the Grandiosa. Got lots of stuff that's not available anywhere else or that is available in other places, not many. So is it worth going on the Grandiosa? Absolutely, it's a brilliant ship. If this has been useful to you, please hit the like button, hit the logo for subscribing, or hit the subscribe and the notification bell below. I'm Jan Obridge, I'm the Cruise Queen. See you on the next one. Bye.